Nothing.
Alright, I'm in the area and I'm going to retrieve a camera out of here because we may be having some rain and this area will be all underwater.
Hopefully.
I hope, yeah. We hope. So I'm filming from behind, watching the ground for snakes and pigs. Because I believe there are in this area.
Pieces are as...
Now I think that tree in front was already leaning and my camera's on the other tree. I was noticing that. Looked like something was here. Like the tree was laying here and it got moved. Ugh. I'm glad we're doing this because here again the grass is getting high. Like
Yep.
no one's going to come in here and mow.
Calm.
Oh yeah, I should have worn my boots. I do have beads over there. 6.
Out of the grass.
Okay, good. They're right there. I do have beads. I want to check on them. Check the beads. My feet are soaking wet. No. You're kidding. You're kidding me. Look at this. I just found one of these the other day. Unbelievable. This actually catches the sap from the pine tree. Wow.
Oh, wait.
Never seen that there. I'm going to check on the beads.
Local speed.
I don't see the beads. Where'd I put them? Oh, here they are. Yep, they're all still there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, 6. Okay. But you're not going to believe this. Look what I found. The same thing I found the other day at the other one. Piece of that clay. And it's for collecting the sap off these pine trees. All right, let me get this out. All right, I removed a couple cameras out of here. I think the batteries are dead in this one. And it looked like it's damaged from being wet. Too much rain. Marco! Okay. It's our little sign when one stays on the path and one goes in for a short minute. Got the ghost box on. See if anything's gonna talk to me.
Turn stock.
Filming from behind. I'm gonna get it. I really believe that was a gift because I just found one of these the other day.
Perhaps